Hello everyone, and welcome back to Chloe vs Chinese. I'm Chloe.
And I'm Daniel. Hello everyone. Today, we are taking you to one of my absolute favorite places in the world, a Chinese restaurant. The food is incredible, the aroma is amazing, but the social dynamics? Absolutely terrifying.
Terrifying, Daniel? It's just a dinner with friends. What could possibly scare a big guy like you at a restaurant?
Chloe, 2 days ago, I genuinely thought I was about to witness a mass brawl. We were out celebrating a friend's promotion. The mood was great, but the moment the waiter brought the check, the entire atmosphere changed. Necks turned red, voices started shouting, and people were literally pushing each other. I was so scared, I actually took out my phone and was about to call the police.
Call the police? Oh my God, Daniel. They weren't fighting. They were just trying to pay.
Pay? Who fights like that just to give away their money?
Welcome to one of the most passionate social rituals in China, the battle for the bill, or Qingdan. To make sure you don't accidentally cause a panic or offend your dining companions, today we are breaking down the top 4 things you should absolutely never do at a Chinese restaurant. Especially number 4, it will explain why my friend Daniel almost called the cops.
Yes, please listen carefully. Save your nerves and your friendships. Hit that subscribe button right now, give us a like, and let's look at the unspoken laws of Chinese dining.
Let's start with rule number 1, which happens before the food even arrives. Daniel, what did you do when the waiter handed you the menu?
Well, I wanted to be a good, independent guest. So I looked at the menu, found the exact dish I wanted, some kung pao chicken, and told the waiter, "Okay, I'll take this one, and you guys can order yours." I thought ordering your own individual meal was standard practice.
Rule number 1, never order just for yourself, or 只看自己开. In a Chinese restaurant, dining is a communal experience. You are ordering a collective feast for the whole table to share.
So my kung pao chicken plan was a bust?
Completely. The correct etiquette is that the host usually takes the lead, or you pass the menu around so everyone can pick 1 or 2 dishes that the entire group will share. You have to think about balance, some meat, some vegetables, some soup. If you just shout out your personal order, it looks incredibly selfish. Like you don't want to share with anyone else.
Wow. Okay. Share the food, share the love. Got it. Now, rule number 2 happened when the food actually arrived. I noticed everyone at the table took their small teacup, but instead of drinking it, they poured the hot tea into their empty rice bowls and started washing their tableware right there at the table. I was so confused. I asked, "Is the restaurant pottery dirty? Should we leave?"
This is a classic Southern Chinese custom. Rule number 2, never skip the table cleansing ritual, commonly called longguan.
Wait, so the dishes actually are dirty?
No, they are usually sanitized by the restaurant, but especially in places like Guangdong or Hong Kong, using the first round of hot tea or boiling water to rinse your bowl, chopsticks, and cup at the table is a psychological and cultural tradition of cleanliness. The restaurant will even provide a large plastic bucket in the middle of the table just to catch the wastewater. If you don't do it, you just look like an outsider who doesn't know the local vibe.
Incredible! Washing dishes before you eat off them. Chinese restaurants are full of surprises. But that brings us to rule number 3, which happens during the meal. I was trying to be polite, so when the shared dishes arrived, I used my own personal chopsticks to grab a piece of beef and put it directly into my friend's bowl. I thought it was a sweet gesture, but she looked a bit hesitant.
Rule number 3, never use your personal chopsticks to serve others without checking. This is about weisheng, or hygiene.
But we are close friends.
Even with close friends, post-pandemic etiquette has changed. Most formal Chinese tables now provide gong kuai, which are public chopsticks, and gong shao, public spoons. specifically for moving food from the center platters to your individual bowl. Using the chopsticks that have been in your mouth to touch shared food is a big no-no. If you want to be polite and serve someone, always use the gongkwai.
Right. Use the public chopsticks. Note taken. Now, let's get to the main event. Rule number 4. The bill fight or King Don. Chloe, explain to me why everyone turned into professional wrestlers when the check arrived. I pulled out my calculator, ready to split the bill evenly. You know, go Dutch or AAG. In the West, this is the fairest way. But suddenly, Lynn grabbed the bill. Then Chen literally tackled her hand, shouting, "Wow lie, wow lie! Let me do it!" Then another friend threw a credit card at the waiter like a ninja star. It was total chaos. I thought they were going to hurt each other.
Daniel, in China, King Dan is a sacred social etiquette. If you really insist on AAG and try to split the bill mathematically down to the cent, Yoshiho Funru Singde Tai Hianwaile. It actually makes you look incredibly distant, cold, and calculated.
But why does everyone want to lose their money?
It's not about losing money. It's about mianzi, or face, and building long-term relationships, or guangxi. The philosophy is, you pay for me today, and I will violently fight to pay for you next time. It ensures that there will be a next time. If you do AAG, it implies, our transaction is over, and I don't plan on seeing you again.
Wow. So the shouting and pushing is actually a sign of deep affection?
Exactly. It's a theatrical performance of generosity. If you just sit there calmly or try to split the bill on your phone, you look unsocial.
So what should a foreigner do? Should I join the wrestling match?
You should at least put up a fight. Reach for the bill, shout "Wole, wole" a few times to show your sincerity. If you lose the battle, which you probably will, against a local, just smile, thank them, and say, "Shatsi wo king guo. Next time is on me."
Amazing. So, let's recap the restaurant survival guide. 1. Never order just for yourself. 2. Join in on the tea rinsing ritual. 3. Always use public chopsticks to serve others. And 4. Never expect a quiet AA just split. Be prepared to fight for the bill or gracefully promise to pay next time.
Perfect, Daniel. You see, dining in China is never just about the food. It's a beautifully loud communal dance of friendship and generosity.
It really is. Next time, I'm practicing my bill-grabbing speed. To our lovely audience, how do you handle the check in your culture? Is it a polite split or a full-contact sport? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Chloe vs Chinese, give us a like, and share this video before your next dinner outing.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Zaijian for now.
Zaijian, see you next time.